First of all, add FontAwesome CDN to your website. Just search for FontAwesome CDN and you will get a link from Bootstrap CDN, and copy this HTML, copy and paste it on your HTML index.html code. Okay, copy, save it and go to style.css. This is the main org we are going to do. At first we will select the whole body by using this ID. Copy this ID name and paste it below here with a hash. Because it is an ID, we need to give an hash. We need to set the background height, width and background image position, etc. Let's do that. Height 100, width 100. Let's do it for now 100, and background will be URL /image. Image is Japan. And one more thing, inside this image folder I have added this 4 image. If you haven't added it, you add by yourself. BP for background position, we want this image to be center. Background repeat, BR for background repeat, no repeat, we don't want to repeat this image. Once again, BS background size will be cover, so that it will be middle of our image. Okay, and height and width will be percentage, not pixel. Okay, Control D, percentage sign. Save it. Let's open your website on the browser. Let's see how does it looks. It's looking perfect to me. Now let's work with this icon. Before that, let's create few more files in our styles. Okay, underscore var variable. I am giving underscore at the very beginning because it will not compile. When you give underscore at the beginning of our name, that will not compile by using this watch. Okay, this compiler. Okay, create one more file, underscore body. By using Sass, we can import this variable and this body into our main style.sass file. Okay, that is impossible in style.css, but it is possible in Sass file. Okay, let's see how to import it. It is very simple. At the very top, just give a @ import name of your file. For me it's variable sass @ import // its body sass. Okay, you don't need to give .sass as extension in here because they already know this. All of them will be sass file. Okay, now this body we are going to take it from here and paste it in body.sass file. Because we have imported it already, that means in style.scss file it is affecting. Okay,